Carrie Cutler here, author of Math Positive Mindsets, Growing a Child's Mind Without Losing Yours. And I've got my helpers today, McGregor, Quinn, and Knox, and we're doing an activity called Shape Sort. So what I have here is just a bunch of kind of irregular, unusual, strange shapes. Ooh, Knox has got a regular shape. It looks like a hexagon with 6 sides. And what we're doing, what have you got?
A lightning bolt.
A lightning bolt. How many sides does it have?
That kind of looks like a science thing. That
looks like a
the
science thing.
Where you put things to turn or something.
Like a beaker?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one has 6.
6 sides. So are you looking at sides? So what the boys are doing is just putting these shapes into different groups. So tell me what groups you're putting. Oh, have you got a pile over here? What's this pile?
5, I think.
That's the 5-side pile? Okay. You want to start a new pile?
6.
McGregor, what have you got over there?
I just joined. So
I got 6 and 8.
You're going to find a pile for
3.
that have 8. McGregor's got some shapes that have curvy sides too, right?
Oh, that's
I'm going to put those together.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
So I'm going to put a link on my website to the Black Line Master for all these shapes. Remember that the activity is called Shape Sort, and the idea is just to talk about shapes and to get kids noticing the attributes of different shapes. This is great for kids who are beginning in the Van Hiele geometric level of development in stage 2.
I have clown.
Starting to be analytical about attributes. Have a math positive day with your kids. Thanks.